Here's one of the most underrated 120 RGB fan from INWin, the SIRIUS Loop.
Hey YouTube, so welcome back, and for those who are new, this channel I do unboxing on PC related tech stuff, and I also build PC mods. But more importantly, I want to help you, the viewers, see that there are other similar products out there that doesn't cost a fortune, but are equal to the quality and even sometimes better. So today, I'm going to do an unboxing of the new INWin SIRIUS Loop 120 RGB fan. So let's get started. So what's in the box is the controller for the RGB fans, the link connectors for all the RGBs, and fan screws. And these are a washer to keep the vibration down. And here is the fan, INWin fan. So you can buy these 3 fans on Amazon for around $30. But don't let the $30 price point fool you into thinking that these are cheap fans. It's far from cheap. So let me show you the color cycle of these fans.
So as you can see, the RGB ring may look a little small, but in person the color is really bright and it pops out at you.
I'm gonna do a wind test to show you how strong these fans are pushing air through. And I'm putting it close because that's usually you put a radiator inside, and that's how strong the air is blowing from these fans. .7 miles per hour. So we're gonna test one of the more popular 120 RGB fan from Corsair. It's LL120. So let's see how fast the fans push air through. Let's give it a 3. 3 miles per hour, let's say that. So you're spending $120 on 3 RGB fan from Corsair that push air at 3 miles per hour, where you can spend $30 for 3 fans. Actually, it's even heavier than the Corsair that I'm holding right now.
So there you have it, the INWin SIRIUS Loop. You can't beat the price per performance on these fans. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you very much.